Hey, it's Manuel. Here's step one of an entire system we set up for you to attract leaders and top producers to your business. And it all starts here.
Hi there, it's Robin Lynn, and Mike Klingler and I are going to take you through a detailed, comprehensive review, showing you exactly how our team and this innovative marketing system can help you build your residual income fast. It's really our marketing system that makes all this possible. How many times have you joined an opportunity only to find that you're building your organization all alone? Well, stay tuned because we're going to share with you how you're definitely not alone with our team. If you followed the directions so far and took the first step, you'll already start to see people registering under your position. And that's just the beginning. Here's what we're about to cover. How we drive infinite volume into your first leg. How we help you build your second leg the same way. Why this company is poised for critical mass growth and has all the markers of a legacy company that will be here for decades. How with just 2 legs you can earn unlimited income. Our commitments to you. Your commitments to the team if you want to benefit from everything we have to offer to you here. I'll be back in just a bit, but for now I want to pass this over to Mike. He'll begin by sharing the real substance supporting the longevity of this opportunity. Because it's one thing for us to help you build your organization, but you're going to want your income to last and compound over time. Here's Mike to share why this company is poised for critical mass growth and has all the markers of a legacy company that will be here for decades to come. Here's Mike.
Welcome to our comprehensive review. Again, my name is Mike Klingler, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about myself because this system and the totality of this opportunity will speak for itself. But the footage you're looking at here was taken between 8 and 12 years ago when I used to do a lot of public speaking, a lot of hands-on training, flying around the country, teaching people how to turn their passions or their interests into thriving online businesses. But that's way out of reach of most people because most people don't have the time to put all of that together. So today what I do is really different. Robin and I have set up a system that allows you to leverage us and our marketing and content to build a business in one of the most exciting growth markets that's going to be here for a very long time, the CBD market. And if you think that industry is saturated, think again. I'm going to show you how we can know it's just getting started. We show you how to leverage us and our marketing. I'm going to be really clear today what that is to be able to blast off your business and build residual income. Now for me, and I suspect most of you listening right now, this isn't so much about the money, though I do believe life is a whole lot easier when you have a lot of it. This isn't so much about the prestige either, though I do like flying first class over coach, right? Who doesn't? But really what this comes down to for me, and I suspect most of you, is the lifestyle. The ability to be able to wake up and do what you want to do with your time, to not be burdened financially. And that's what I was able to create many, many years ago, and that this system is specifically designed to help you be able to do. Now, hopefully by now you've already taken step 1 and gotten a free position. If you didn't do step 1, stop this video right now and go back and do step 1. It literally takes seconds. You just enter your name and email on one of these opt-in pages. They look different depending on which one you land on. We have lots of them that we're testing all the time on your behalf. But you do that, and then we can start placing people underneath you. And that represents real business volume, which I'm going to explain how that works in this presentation.
So click the link below this video for a comprehensive review of the complete marketing system we're using and learn how we guide you to put this unique step-by-step process to work for you to attract leaders and top producers to your team.